Namaste and welcome to Hindi Classroom. Today we are to discuss the question answers of this chapter Mithai Wala. So let's get started. The first question is खिलौने वाले के आने पर बच्चों की क्या प्रतिक्रिया होती थी? What was the reaction of the children when the toy seller came there? खिलौने वाले की मादक मधुर स्वर सुनकर बच्चे चंचल हो उठते. So on hearing the melodious voice of the toy seller, the children used to get playful. उसके स्नेहाभिषिक्त खंड से फूटा हुआ गान सुनकर निकट के मकानों में हलचल मच जाती. On hearing the song that flowed out of his affectionate throat, there was a stir in the nearby houses. गलियों और उद्यानों में खेलते हुए बच्चों का झुंड उसे घेर लेता. A group of children playing in the streets and in the garden rushed to the seller and encircled him. बच्चे खिलौने देखकर पुलकित हो उठते. The children were excited when they saw the toys. वे पैसे लाकर खिलौने के मोल भाव करने लगते. They started bargaining toys by bringing money. The second question is रोहिणी को मुरली वाले के स्वर से खिलौने वाले का स्मरण क्यों हो आया? Why did Rohini remember the toy seller with the sound of the flute? The answer is मुरली वाले का स्वर भी खिलौने वाले की तरह मादक और मधुर था. The voice of the flute seller was also sweet and attractive like that of a toy seller. वह भी गीत गाकर मुरलियाँ बेच रहा था. He was also selling the flutes by singing song. इसलिए रोहिणी को मुरली वाले के स्वर से खिलौने वाले का स्मरण हो आया. So that is why Rohini remembered the toy seller with the sound of the flute seller. The next question is मिठाई वाला अलग अलग चीजें क्यों बेचता था और वह महीने बाद क्यों आता था? Why did the sweet seller sell different things and why did he come after months? The answer is बच्चे एक चीज से ऊब न जाएं, इसलिए मिठाई वाले अलग अलग चीजें बेचता था. The sweet seller used to sell different things so that the children would not get bored with one thing. Ubna means to get bored. बच्चों में उत्सुकता बनाए रखने के लिए वह महीनों बाद आता था. He used to come after months to keep the children curious. The next question मिठाई वाले में वे कौन से गुण थे जिनकी वजह से बच्चे तो बच्चे बड़े भी उसकी ओर खींचे चले आते थे? So what were those qualities in the sweet seller which attracted the children and adults towards him? The answer निम्नलिखित कारणों से बच्चे तथा बड़े मिठाई वाले की ओर खींचे चले आते थे. So the children and adults were drawn towards the seller because of these following reasons. Which are they? First one is मिठाई वाला मादक मधुर ढंग से गाकर चीजें बेचता था. The seller used to sell things by singing melodiously. The second reason is वह कम लाभ में बच्चों को खिलौने तथा मिठाइयाँ देता था. He used to give toys and sweets to the children for less profit at a very low price. The third one, उसके हृदय में बच्चों के लिए स्नेह था. He had affection for the children in his heart. And the other reason is हर बार वह नई चीजें लाता था. So every time he brought new things for the children. Our next question is किसकी बात सुनकर मिठाई वाला भावुक हो गया था? So hearing about whom did the sweet seller became emotional? उसने इन व्यवसायों को अपनाने का क्या कारण बताया? And what was the reason, or what reason did he give for adopting these profession? The answer is रोहिणी की बात सुनकर मिठाई वाला भावुक हो गया था. The sweet seller became emotional after hearing Rohini's words. इस तरह के जीवन में उसे अपने बच्चों की झलक मिल जाती है जो अब जिंदा नहीं है. In such a life, he gets a glimpse of his children who are no longer alive. उसे ऐसा लगता है कि उसके बच्चे इन्हीं में कहीं हंस खेल रहे हैं. And he feels that his children are laughing and playing somewhere in these. इसी कारण से उसने इस व्यवसाय को अपनाया. That's why he took up this business. Our next question is अब इस बार ये पैसे ना लूँगा. कहानी के अंत में मिठाई वाले ने ऐसा क्यों कहा? Now this time I will not take this money. Why did the sweet seller say this at the end of the story? मिठाई वाले ने ऐसा इसलिए कहा क्योंकि वह पहली बार किसी के सामने अपनी कहानी प्रकट करता था. The answer is the sweet seller said this because it's the first time that he is revealing his story to someone. चुन्नू मुन्नू को देखकर उसका मन भर आया और ये बच्चे उसे अपने बच्चे ही लगे. Seeing Chunnu and Munnu, it filled his mind, and these children seemed to him as his own children. Hope this video was useful. Please do subscribe and share the video with your friends. See you next time. Goodbye.